Okay, hello guys, how are you? We are going to go through and we're going to do punctuation today. So the other day when we were in class, we talked about periods, question marks, and exclamation points. So really quickly, let's go over that. So a period is a sentence that is what I would put at the end of the sentence if I was telling somebody something, right? So if I said, my cat is cool, I would put a period at the end, right? My cat is cool. Telling you something, okay? But if I said something that was super exciting, I would put an explanation point at the end. So if I said, I love school, I would put an explanation point at the end, right? There's my explanation point. If I was asking somebody a question, I would put a question mark at the end. So if I said, how are you? I would have a question mark at the end. Okay. So we're going to go through and we're going to do this punctuation, okay? I'm going to go up here to the top so you guys can see it, okay? The first sentence says, do you see my cat? And the hint says you are asking. So you are asking a question. So would you use a period, question mark, or an exclamation point? So you would move whatever you would use in this one, you would move it and you would move it to that box, okay? I'm not going to do this one for you because I already showed you some examples, okay? And I think you could do it. Again, it says a hint right here. It says you were asking. So would you use a period, question mark, or an exclamation point? The next sentence says, this is my cup. And the hint says you are telling. So would you drag over a period, question mark, or an exclamation point? This sentence says, hey, stop that, with 2 squares. So it says you are serious, okay? So I want to tell you that sometimes you will use punctuation if you are serious or if you are excited. And you would use the same explanation. You would use, oh, I just told you. You would use the explanation point, right? So go ahead and I'll give that to you guys, okay? So you would drag whatever punctuation mark you would use, okay? If that's a period, if that's a question mark, or if that's an explanation point, okay? Remember, you're going to have to do it twice for this, okay? And it says you are serious. That was nice of me to give you a good hint, wasn't it? This next sentence says, my dog is bad. And it says you are telling. So if you were telling something, would you use a period, question mark, period, question mark, or an explanation point? The last one, it says, I am in the lab, okay? And it says you are telling. So if you're telling something, would you use a period, question mark, or an explanation point? If you need to, go back and watch the first part of this video where I explain what a period is for, what a question mark is for, and what an explanation point is for.